Welcome. Thanks for choosing SAFC Critical Process Chemicals. Is this table okay for you? Do take a seat. What can I get for you today? The SAFC portfolio is extensive, but here we can offer you a wide range of high-quality upstream and downstream process chemicals in liquid, powdered, and granulated formats. We've also got a variety of quality grades and packaging options, and all supported by a team of experts and comprehensive documentation. So there's no doubt we can tailor something to suit your tastes. For example, we've got these GMP grade compacted raw materials that have been formulated into granules to make them easy, safe, and convenient to handle. Or perhaps you prefer one of our many CGMP specialty chemicals like benzonase endonuclease, which improves downstream purification efficiency by degrading DNA and RNA impurities without impacting yields or proteolytic activity. And of course, these come with comprehensive regulatory documentation and support from our experts to accelerate your journey to market. If you're looking for something quick, I recommend our high-temperature, short-time pasteurized glucose feed. It reduces risk of viral contamination in cell culture media without compromising culture performance. And it's easy and convenient to use at any scale. So what can I get you? The benzonase. An excellent choice, coming up right away. To find out more about our capabilities and which of our products are the perfect fit for your project, explore the SAFC Brand Expertise Hub at sigmaaldridge.com/SAFC Expertise.